The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2019 through 2025 Volvo XC40 with a factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rail base rack system. This is made up of the 47-inch long Wingbar Evo load bars, shown here in black, also available in silver, the foot pack, which comes in a set of 4, and vehicle-specific fitting kit 186010. So locks are available as an additional accessory, but are not required. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and crossbars can be adjusted along the length of the rail. So a great rack for all different types of gear and accessories. For easy ordering of this complete kit or more details and pictures, please visit our website with a link in the description below. That's it for this quick vehicle walk around. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.